Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to use credits on Doordash. But before we start, don't forget to check out the helpful links in the description below. Using credits on Doordash is super simple. Let's walk through the process. Once you have added something to your cart, click on View Cart to move to Checkout. Here, this one. Now scroll down to the payment section. You will see all your available payment methods here. So you can see it's here. So that if you have DoorDash credits, they will appear here and will automatically apply to your next eligible order. No extra steps needed. Just make sure your order is in a range where your credits are valid. For example, mine only works in Australia, this one. So once you place the order, your credits will be used first before charging any saved payment method. And that's it. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips from this channel.